In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your order in Shopee using GCash. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap and what to expect, so your checkout is smooth and successful. Start by opening the Shopee app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and connected to a stable internet connection. Add the item or items you want to your cart as you normally would. Before moving on, take a moment to review your cart. Check the quantity, variations like size or color, shipping address, and any vouchers or coins you want to apply. This helps avoid changes later. When you're ready, proceed to checkout. On the checkout screen, look for Payment Method. Tap it, then choose View All to see the full list of options. From there, select e-wallet. In the e-wallet choices, tap GCash. The app will prompt you to enter your mobile number that's registered with GCash. Type it carefully and double-check for any typos so you don't run into verification issues. If the number doesn't match your GCash account, the payment won't go through, so accuracy here is important. After entering your number, return to the checkout summary and make sure everything still looks good. Items, delivery details, and any shipping options. When everything is correct, tap Place Order. Shopee will redirect you to GCash to complete the payment. Depending on your device, this may open the GCash app or a secure GCash page in your browser. Once you're in GCash, simply follow the prompts on your screen. You may be asked to log in, confirm the amount, or verify using a one-time code. Continue through each prompt until you see a confirmation that your payment has been successful. Don't close the app during this process. Wait for it to finish to avoid interruptions. After payment, you'll be taken back to Shopee automatically, where you should see a confirmation of your order and its payment status. It's a good idea to check your orders page to confirm everything looks right. You can also keep a screenshot of the payment confirmation for your records. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure your GCash has enough balance before you begin. Keep both Shopee and GCash updated to the latest versions and stay on a reliable network during checkout. If anything seems stuck, wait a moment and let the page load fully before tapping again. That's it. Opening Shopee, selecting GCash under e-wallet, entering your number, placing the order, and following the GCash prompts to pay. You're all set to check out confidently using GCash in Shopee.